You're it's that phenom, you're ready. 1-6 unlucky. South Brolic. You see us. Play corner talking. Ready. Mostly was shaking. S-Keezy. Supreme Manifestors. Calling me Cool G, Biggie Ross. I'm questioning, could y'all tell the trees from the forest? I read with the force, the legends that came before us. Mars Senior Section, side of the concourse. My homicides on our side, they swore was all us. At that time, swore I ride to the forest. Few blocks before us, recoil from the Taurus. Brother, I grew from the same blocks as the Cold Crush. In front of the bodega, hammer on my belt, in my mouth had both razors. New York strip, Yankee fitted in my brim is low. Sour diesel in the Dutch, I ain't hell to smoke. Back up, give me room as I let him go. Bet you can't beat the deuce twice for a couple more. Like Franklin, look, I've been G. 100 to a motherfucker kill me. 100 cause the motherfuckers feel me. Sets in their headphones, weed in they loonies. Prisoners of conflict, I rep that. Going hard since born, get a letter back. Spitting bars since the law on the streets. Prince on the land, can't wait for Bane to get released. Rest in peace, Nature Boy, TNL, the commander-in-chief. The clique is now MSB, you know. You see us, it's the Supreme Manifestors. Mostly S-Keezy, Born Mad, what up? Shalom. Let's get to it. Parvenu.